Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen, and today I'm going to show you how I did this Day of the Dead inspired nail art. I have already gone ahead and pre-prepped my red Iguana practice hand with the Notpolish universal tips. I do have a video that shows how I prepped this practice hand if you were interested in seeing that. I do have a video on that. And the color that I'm using is called Nude Panther by Notpolish. I'm going to go ahead and do the Nude Panther on 3 of the nails. Those 3 nails being the pinky, the middle finger, and the pointer finger. So for those of you who like to know, I am using monomer by Notpolish, and the brush that I'm using is also by Notpolish, and it is a size 12. So as I said in my last video, I did get a new camera, and so I've been practicing. So I do pull out a screenshot just a couple of times in this video, but I have also recently gotten a new mic. So I am practicing with that. So bear with me while I get all the kinks worked out. And if you could hear the clickety clack behind me, that is because my dog is running around.
Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando baja el sol. Con tu amor, esa
I'm going to go ahead and use black acrylic for the ring finger, and that acrylic is also by Notpolish.
La puesta del sol, mi amor. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
So with the black acrylic, it is very staining, and when you're close to the cuticle, you want to be very careful.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
Once I get all my acrylic laid, I'm going to go ahead and file and buff off camera just to save time on the video. And then the first thing that I'll be doing is placing this water slide sticker. With the water slide stickers, they have a plastic front. You want to go ahead and make sure you take that off. And then I'm going to place it in the water, and it will come away from that backing, and then I'll just go ahead and lay it on the finger how I want it, and I smooth out any ridges. It'll kind of want to ridge up on you a little bit, and then dry it off. And once I'm happy, I go ahead and I will top coat this just so it doesn't move on me. I wanted to see how this was going to look in matte, so I did go ahead and top coat this with a matte top coat. So when I first saw this decal and decided on this design, I did not realize that it was a box around it. I wasn't sure if it was just the skull or, like it is, a box around it. So solution for that problem, I'm just going to outline the skull and then fill in all of the rest of the nail with black and just make it another black nail.
Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your.
So there are many beautiful bright colors in all of the Day of the Dead art. So I went ahead and just picked all my vibrant colors, the colors that matched what were on the skull. And I went ahead and just made different size and shaped flowers. And these were new gels that I was using. So I was a little learning curve. I really liked them. They are the Neon Gels by Makartt. I do have a discount code with Makartt. I will go ahead and drop that down in the description box for you, but I'll put it up here on the screen also. But I really liked them. They are very bright. As you can see, they're standing out on that black really nicely. And just to clarify, they are their gel liners, neon gel liners, not just like a painting gel. I got the gel liners.
Estás loco llamándome, rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección, ahora ya no quiero, busca todo cuero y nada de te amo forever. Tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mi sería un regalo, ya. No tendré nadie como tú, baby, esa es la actitud. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, quedas con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boba, yo sé que me engañas. Yo sé que me quieres,
So I did want to exaggerate the colors on the face. So I'm going to go ahead with those gel liner colors and just place them over the corresponding color on the skull. And it just kind of really gave it a nice little pop. I do go back over it, you'll see me, and just smooth it and blend it out because it is kind of almost a watercolor look that is on that water slide decal. And it really kind of just flowed right into it and made all those colors pop again. For the pinky finger and the pointer finger, I'm going to go ahead and do half of the nail in black. And for that, I am using my Perfect Black by Madame Glam. Once again, I do have a discount code for Madame Glam. I'll put it up on the screen and down in the description box. But I do use my liner brush to go ahead and mark out where I want it to go. And then I'll go ahead in with the brush from the bottle and fill in the rest. In the portion that I painted black on the pointer finger and the pinky, I'm going to go ahead and just mimic the fingers that I did on the ring finger.
I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about me. I'm having a hard time not to.
I am going ahead and flash curing these flowers in between each flower that I do, just so that I do not wreck any of the art and have to do it again. But I do like to go ahead and flash cure, and for that I do use my Kiara Sky flash cure light. It matches the larger Beyond Pro curing light that I have. It is super cute and it works really well.
Get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about me. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than.
So I did not love the purple that I used on the pointer finger. For some reason I had laid out two purples and I totally forgot that I switched the purple. So I'm going to go ahead and go over real quick, as you can see, with the correct purple. Then I went ahead and just matte top coated those nails. I am going to go ahead and do my little crown of rosebuds on my skull, and for that I place my bead of acrylic, and then I'll go ahead and with the really pointy end of my 3D brush, I'm going to poke a hole in the middle, open up the circle, and then swirl in the two edges just to make them look like it wraps around into a circle. And I'm going to go ahead and do 4 of those together and have it look like a little crown of roses. She is not a traditional sugar skull, but I really love how she came out.
So thinking about me, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
Once I'm done with my crown of rosebuds, I'm going to go ahead and top coat that. And I am using Matte-It by Notpolish also for that. And I am going to use a little liner brush just to go above the crown of rosebuds, just to fill that all in. I am not going to top coat the rosebuds. They'll matte down on their own. And that'll pretty much complete my set. I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this set as much as I do. I will leave the final video for you. And if you could, just please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.
Si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado.